Alright, so Travis, tell me about this.
Box.
Yes.
I made at school.
At school.
Yes.
And
It took me like 3 months to make, but 45 minutes every Monday and Wednesday, which, yeah.
oh, okay, so still though,
It would have been made a lot quicker.
it's pretty impressive.
Yes. I stained it. I don't know why this magical thing is here. Put your logo on it because, you know, Cubeologist needs his logo.
How did you get that C? Just
Well,
like that.
I went on Google Images,
Yeah?
got your logo, printed it out, I cut it out, traced it onto a piece of wood, and then cut it out of the wood.
That's pretty
And
awesome.
then spray painted it green because green.
Yeah, that works.
And then I made it shiny. And
Slow. I gotta turn
Yeah.
slow. It's head to head. I'm ready.
what is that?
1451.
Second place is Chris. In first place we have Christopher Olsen. Christopher Olsen. Christopher Olsen. Christopher Olsen. Now for the traditional Rubik's Cube, Chris Olsen, first place. So thank you. That concludes our event, guys. So thank you.
Thank you, James. Alright, so now we're in business. And power on. Good to go. Turn sound on. What does that do? That's a little cheesy, but still, that's pretty cool. So now let's take a look at the puzzles. Comes in plastic, that's pretty cool, and it looks like you get an Allen wrench. I would assume that's for tensioning. And there it is. The shades actually aren't that bad. The green's pretty